Data is the new oil of the digital age, but raw data alone has no value until it's refined. That's where data analytics comes in. From businesses optimizing marketing campaigns to hospitals improving patient care, data analytics is at the core of modern decision making. There are four main types of data analytics: descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive. Descriptive analytics answers the question, what happened? Diagnostic analytics explains why it happened. Predictive analytics forecasts what might happen next, and prescriptive analytics suggests what should we do. The data analytics process follows a clear path: data collection, data cleaning, analysis, interpretation, and visualization. Analysts rely on powerful tools like Python, R, SQL, Tableau, and Power BI to bring this process to life. In business, data analytics helps companies like Amazon forecast demand, Netflix recommend shows, and Toyota improve efficiency. The future is even more exciting with AI, real-time analytics, and augmented insights for faster, more accurate decisions. Data analytics is not just a tool, it's the foundation of success in today's data-driven world. For more insights, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com.